The disassembling is very easy. You just have to remove the parts and the puzzle will be disassembled. The puzzle is made of 9 parts. Each piece is made of 3 bars. There are no 2 exactly the same pieces. All are unique, and you have to find how to put them all back into the 6x6x6 cube. This is a Pyre puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. Difficulty level of the puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble it back together, which will be quite a difficult challenge. The disassembling, as I mentioned, is very easy, but if you don't pay attention what you're doing, it will be really, really hard to put everything back together. If you like the Pyre puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. So you start by grabbing this piece. There is a number on each piece. There is a 3 on this one, and then there is 6 on this one. So they go next to each other like that. Then you grab piece number 5 and put it like that. The puzzle is quite difficult, since if you just put one piece then another, it won't work, since some pieces have to be pre-assembled before you put them into the main cube. Like there is piece 9 and piece 1. They go together like that. And now you put 2 parts into the cube like that. Okay. Half of the cube is assembled. Now there is a piece number 7. And it goes right here from this side. So 4 and 8, they go together like that. And then you grab this piece number 2 and it goes like that. And then you put them on top of the cube like that. Make sure that everything fits nicely, otherwise you won't be able to create a cube. Something goes actually wrong here. Let's try again. This goes here. This goes here. Oop, yeah. And finally, the puzzle is assembled back together. Quite a difficult solution. If you like the Pyre puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.